I'm in Windows 11, and a lot of times we want to remove anything that's on the desktop for a specific project. Maybe we're recording something, we don't really want to see things like the recycle bin. So I'm going to show you how to remove the recycle bin. So I'm going to go to the search button and type in group policy. Now, this is part of an Active Directory domain. You can do this from the exact same place, but in group policies from your domain controller. So I'm going to click open. And this is just going to open my group policy on my local computer. So it's only going to affect this one computer. And I'm going to go to under user configuration to administrative templates and then desktop. Now, once I'm in desktop, I'll go ahead and expand this. I'm going to go to where it says remove recycle bin icon from the desktop, double click, choose enabled, and click OK. And now when you restart your computer, the recycle bin will be gone from your desktop. Some people say you can also get this done if you go into a command prompt and just type in gp update/force. Sometimes this works, and sometimes it just requires you to restart first. But you still have to go into group policy and make that change first. All right, it said it completed successfully. I'm going to hit F5 to refresh. And it's still there. So I'm going to do a restart on it. And I'm logged back in, and you can see now the recycle bin has been removed. So sometimes just making the change to group policy doesn't take effect until you restart. So that is how you remove the recycle bin as well as other icons in your desktop in Windows 11.